Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix white or blank app icons that appear as a grid on your iPhone. So this issue can make your apps difficult to recognize, but there are a few simple ways to fix this. So first, press and hold an empty area on your home screen until the apps begin to move. Tap Edit, choose Customize, and then change the app icon size to large. So this may refresh the icons and then return them to normal. And if the icons are still blank, check whether your iPhone needs an update and then open Settings and then scroll down and tap General. So select Software Update, then install any available update. And then the final method is to restart your iPhone. And then quickly press the volume up button and quickly press the volume down button and then press and hold the side button until the power off option appears. So after the iPhone turns back on, check whether the app icons are displaying correctly. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.